The Ukrainian-backed Russian separatists have claimed to have captured the Russian military base Belgorod 22, containing tactical nuclear weapons. The Russians, on the other hand, are claiming that they have evacuated their nuclear weapons from the Belgorod 22 facility near Grayvoron. Whatever the truth is, this very alarming. If the Russian Freedom Legion have nuclear weapons, that will be a game-changer in the whole war. And on the other side, the attack is showing the catastrophic and poor state of the Russian armed forces. What a humiliation. Belgorod region just announced a counter-terrorist operation. This is now clearly shaping up to be a very serious development. The Russian Freedom Legion and the Russian Volunteer Corps did not pull out like in the March Bryansk incident. They are probably staying in, and they're also very vocal about it. Krybar mentioned 8 kilometers of advance so far. It doesn't seem Russia is able to respond effectively. Russians basically confirmed the destruction of their military unit in Gaivoron district. They says there are dozens of dead and wounded. At a status meeting, the head of Gaivoron district says, "Disturbing news we're getting. Russian Air Force is bombing the Belgorod region, which is inside Russia, that was liberated by the Russian Freedom Legion and Russian Volunteer Corps. This is a special military operation of the special military operation." Ha! This photo was shared showing Russian military IDs against the backdrop of a sign reading RFFSB, border point for Belgorod and Voronezh Oblasts, border checkpoint Grayvoron. New video emerged apparently showing 2 Russian Volunteer Corps fighters driving what they claim to be an FSB BTR-82A. It appears as if they don't have much experience driving the vehicle, as they thank a certain Sheba for coming through to them and possibly helping them evacuate the vehicle. It is therefore reasonable to assume they are taking it back to where they came from. Regardless, having 2 soldiers from a reportedly small, 80-people unit freely leaving the combat area could be showing things were going quite well for them.
Говорил мне батя, иди на тракториста учись, блядь. Я нет, пошел в военный. Пиздец, трофейный БТР-82А. От ФСБ Российской Федерации. Украина. Вот так вот. Работает РДК. Благодарим Шайбу за то, что смог проехать. Это было непросто.
Updated map is showing approximate the area which is currently under control of Belgorod People's Republic forces. No matter what happens, I'm quite sure this will go down as one of the greatest international military trolling operations in history. Ukrainian-backed Free Russian forces actually picked a fairly interesting place to take some territory. Grayvoron is bounded on 2 sides by the Vorskla and Hryvornka rivers, and on the other 2 sides by the Ukrainian border. Allegedly, the Legion Free Russia has now also captured tanks and other equipment from the Russian army in the region Belgorod. Z, markings with Ukrainian flag. What a terrific humiliation for Putin is going on here. Priceless. And they not only invaded Russia, but then the Russian Volunteer Corps took Russia's defense as prisoners. Apparently, a new video from 2 Free Russia Legion fighters. They say the border is broken. Putin is unable to respond. One is wearing the Free Russia Legion insignia on his chest.
Что ты скажешь?
Ну, что сказать, границы ключ переломлен пополам.
И дедушка Путин совсем
скоро, наверное, превратится в липовый мед.
Все отлично.
And wow, Russian police. Russians who invaded Russia to liberate it from Putin have taken a police station where they stole police uniforms and squad cars. Russian officials ask locals to, without warning, open fire on uniformed police. Officials state that there are no longer police in Belgorod. Anyone dressed as a Russian cop is really a Ukrainian saboteur and can be shot. I can't imagine how this doesn't turn into a complete disaster. Russian Telegram channels publish a video of Belgorod. Russia residents reportedly fleeing after alleged Russian volunteers have started their operation in Belgorod region. While we are fighting for liberation in the borderlands, Our flag is flying in the center of Moscow. For Russia. For freedom, the Legion wrote. And the Alliance of Indigenous Peoples, an organization whose goal is the dismantling of Russia and the revival of nation-states in their original territories, as per their own description, published a video calling the people of Chuvashia, Belgorod region, Voronezh, and Novgorod republics, Karelia, to vote for independence on an upcoming referendum.
Мы представители свободных народов Чувашии, Белгородчины, Воронежской республики, Новгородской республики и Карелии. Хотим сказать, хватит терпеть унижение жизни в мафиозной империи, где наших людей отправляют на смерть, грабят налогами и пытаются лишить свобод. Мы говорим «нет» мафиозному режиму и начинаем процесс дезинтеграции РФ и выходе из ее состава с помощью референдумов по проведению за независимость.
Давно уж Великий Новгород не выходил на вече. Пора нам собрать электронное вече и сказать свое веское слово за свободу и независимость, за возрожденную Новгородскую вечевую республику. Пора освободиться от ордынского московитского тиранического ига и водворить на законное место украденный у нас Москвой вечевой колокол, великий символ свободы и воли. Пора вернуться к славным традициям вечевой демократии и возродить вольное наследие Новгорода. Только так мы сумеем вернуть Великому Новгороду статус торгового, финансового, экономического центра.
Белгородская Народная Республика – будущее целого региона. Обращаюсь к вам как уполномоченный посол республики, как человек, который искренне верит, Белогорье может жить отдельно от России и переживет ее. Знаю, это форум для народов пост-России, но быть народом не значит быть страной. Для этого требуется экономическое подспорье и общество.
And that's not all. We had an incendiary Monday night. In the Leningrad region, a hangar with gas cylinders caught fire. A plastic warehouse is on fire in Voronezh. And so in Russia, everything is under control.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.